All right, for 53, it's actually a very easy question. But you need to know what you're looking for. If not, then it becomes very complicated. So what you're looking for is to get x by itself. And now we got something attached to the x, which is x to the negative 3/2 power. Okay. So now how can we not have any exponents, or how can we change the exponents to 1? How can we do that? Okay. So one quick way, an effective way of doing it, well, raised to a certain power. Okay, raised to a certain power. So so you would have x to the first power, which is x by itself. And now you got to think about what is 27 to the negative 2/3 power. Well, we can take out the negative exponent at the very end. I mean, the negative sign in the very end. So we will take care of the 3 in the denominator first, because that means we have a keep root. It's a lot easier to handle the keep root before we handle the square, because I have no idea what 27 square is. And I'm not interested in getting a calculator or doing it by hand. So let's reduce the number. 27, cube root of 27 is 3. And 3, it's then squared, which is 9. And then with the negative exponent, and we say x is equal to 1/9. Okay. So the biggest challenge right here is that when you see x to the negative 2/3 power, oh, I'm sorry, x to the negative 3/2 power, do you know what you can do and what you should do to get the exponent to equal to 1? Okay. If you don't know that you can do something like this, and if you don't know how to interpret the fraction in the exponent position, then it's going to be very challenging. But if you know all these properties, it should be a very straightforward question.